The Spitfire became a legend, a symbol of the Battle of Britain. But the secret lies deeper than the legend. Behind that legend was one man, Reginald Mitchell. He was not just an engineer. He was a true genius of speed. He proved it with racing seaplanes. They set world speed records. The Spitfire is that speed perfected. The debut confirmed design genius, a triumph of bold engineering. At the heart, the elliptical wing. Everyone saw perfection, pure aerodynamic theory. The truth was elsewhere. The elliptical shape was dictated by volume. Guns and gear dictated volume inside the wing. But the true secret, its extreme thinness. This thinness delivered record speed. Spitfire hit 367 miles per hour. It dominated every rival. But here was the problem. Designers feared the thin wing was weak. High speed meant critical risk. The wing would collapse under the load. But the engineers found a solution. They heavily reinforced the structure. The answer was a stiff internal box section. The wing now held 485 miles per hour in a dive. Without it, the plane would have shattered. But the genius extended further. Mitchell focused on the radiator. It was vital for engine cooling. Two radiators hung beneath the wings. Their protrusions created strong air drag. But engineers found a solution to this problem. They reshaped the radiator exit. The air heated and accelerated inside. This generated an extra forward thrust. Thus the radiator had zero drag. This was the brilliant trick. But the heart of the plane is the Merlin engine. Rolls-Royce built the best engine. The secret, a unique two-stage supercharger. Power, 2,300 horsepower. Such power required superfuel. The Germans' maximum fuel octane was 87. Britain received 100 octane fuel from the USA. This secret ingredient was essential. The man behind the secret, Vladimir Apatyev. He was a Russian chemist who emigrated to the USA. It was he who developed the key gasoline component. The Merlin engine needed this special fuel. No high octane, no phenomenal speed. Every single Spitfire victory hinged on these inventions. The legend of Spitfire is science, and an unexpected Russian trace. This is the true story of the Spitfire, where every detail made it the best in the sky. Thank you for watching. Pilot Pavel Sokolov.